ECN Trade Technical Webinar. Good morning. My name's Rob Clayton. Well, the Australian dollar still holds to a negative sentiment as the market challenges this 100-day moving average, just roughly around 74.90, with the objective still holding towards 74.0515. From the recent challenges towards the upside and failing towards 77.50 and then rejects 76.60, and then the bearish candle come through afterwards, still gives further confirmation that the downside potential will eventuate. However, any advances on today should find resistance capped around 75.60-70. The euro, since the rejection of 113.60-65, the bearish outside range day, another candle to the downside, reaffirms that the market is still very much waiting for the 109.50-70 challenge. Also note that we are through the 100-day moving average of the euro, which was around about 112.25. Reaffirms the downside, plus the oscillator coming in here quite heavily. Should limit the upside today with the resistance capping roughly around 111.80, with the first support coming in at 111.20, then 110.50.65. Well, dollar yen, since the bullish outside range day, two firm candles breaking through 102.80.90, gives further confirmation from the oscillator as well that we're looking up towards 106, with the 100-day moving average, do note, comes in around 105.20, which may find congestion area between 105.20 to 106, but nevertheless it's still in a very much bull run. Any pullback on the day should find support around support around about 102.80, and then beneath that there's a key support of 101.80 to 95. Now a breakthrough 101.80.95, which you can see is around this level here, negates the upside and would reopen the downside to 90.40 to 90.60. So do keep an eye on that today. Sterling, although still holds to a negative outlook, the market did stage quite a mild return overnight, with the advance still expected to be capped roughly around 131.80. In light of the market's weakness on Friday, the outside range day, I still hold a view that we're looking at a temporary support around 130.2025 and lower eventually towards 128.5. Gold, very much still in a bear trend and still not finding any support. Now challenging a low of 1,304 overnight's low, still expects to see further threat towards the downside. Although I expect to see a rejection from this level, if broken, and if we go for the moving average as well, which another confirmation, which is at 12.96, exposes a downside fall to about 12.50. Quite a big drop, $50. So do keep an eye on that. However, the indicator is low, which may imply that demand or the bulls will defend this level at 1300 and could see a mild retracement back up to 1360 to about 1322. And to wrap up with oil, as you can see, the market again falls lower overnight, with the objective I'm holding at the moment at $43.90 to $44.40, which is around this region. You can note that last night's break of 100-day moving average concluded the downside move, and now we're looking for, say, further fall, with any retracement on the day likely to be capped around pretty much around $45.70. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you enjoy the day ahead.